In this video, I would like to explain percentages change. The change can be increase and can also be decrease. So let's understand it. The question will always look something like the price of something was, for example, 10 and now it's, for example, 20. Find the percentage of increase here. So there is an easy way of doing that. So how to find it is you will first need to find the change. How much did it change from 10 to 20? The change is 10 here. And then we just divide this 10, which is the change, by the original amount. How much was the original price? Was it 20? No. It changed to 20, so the original was 10. We divide by that and then multiply by 100. Now 10 divided by 10 is just 1. 1 times 100 is 100%. So this has changed or increased by 100%. So the idea is you need first to find the change and then divide by the original and then multiply by 100. And that's it. Let's write that here. So the percentage change is equal to the change itself, how much it changed, divided by the original amount, times 100. And that's it, we finished. So let's do this question here. In a sale, the price of an item decreases from £50 to £39. Work out the percentage decrease. This is a nice question. So what I will do here, I'll first find the change. How much did the price change? It changed from 50 up to 39. So it's 50 minus 39, which is 11. That's very good. Now, the decrease will be the change itself, which is 11, divided by the original price from 50. So the original was 50, and then times 100. This is specific question, is non-calculator. Usually it is, but this one is not. So what we will do here is we will multiply both by 2 and then divide by 2. Why did I do that? I did that because I want this 50 to be 100. So I'll have 11 times 2 is 22, divided by 100 times 100. That's very good. So 100 and 100 will cancel each other. So I'll just be left with 22. So the answer is 22%. How easy. Did you get it? Now let's look at another example to make things clear. So we'll just do this in this space here. Emma buys a house for this very big amount. She sells it for this amount. Calculate the percentage of profit. Obviously, she made some profit because she bought it for less amount and she sold it for bigger amount. So the profit is equal to the change. So the change is 213,590 minus the original amount, which is 201,500, divided by the original amount. The original amount is not how much she sold it, no, it's how much she bought it, because that's older. So 201,500, and then times this by 100. That's it. Just plug this in your calculator and you got the answer. So if we do this, we will get 213,590 minus 201,500 divided by the original amount is 201,500. So this gives you times 100 for sure. That gives you 6%, and that's the profit she made. you got 50% profit. That's very good. Now let's look at this question. In 2000, let's just zoom in. In 2000, the world population was 6.1 billion. Goodness, that's a lot. In 2015, the world population was 7.3 billion. Work out the percentage increase in population. Alright, so 2015 is older, so this is the original amount. So we'll divide by the original, which is 7.3. No, that's a mistake. 2000 is older, so that's the original. So 6.1 is the original. We'll divide by 6.1. Now up here we will have the change. The change is 7.3 minus 6.1 times 100. One thing is, always to find the change, just write the bigger number first. The bigger number is 7.3, that's why I wrote it first. Always write the bigger number first. So plug this in your calculator and you get the answer. So it's 7.3 minus 6.1 divided by 6.1 and then times that by 100. So it gave me 19.6. Let me just write it here. 72. And the question says give your answer to one decimal place. One decimal place is going to be 19.7%. How easy. So that's all for percentage change. In the comments section, you will find the homework or some more practice. Please try to do that. Thank you for following. Bye.